Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Biscoff No-Bake Cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the base. So to make the base, grab yourself a food safe bag or a Ziploc bag like I'm using and place in all of your Biscoff biscuits and bash them to almost a fine crumb. I had some big bits in there, I just couldn't get it all fine, but you can spend more time if you wanted. Get them to a fine crumb, then transfer it into a mixing bowl. As you can tell, I've got some chunks in mine. It doesn't really make too much of a difference at the end. Add in your melted butter and mix this in, and it should be fully coated. You'll notice it's coated once the mixture becomes kind of like dark and looks a bit more like wet sand rather than sand. Once you've got to this stage, you can then go ahead and grab yourself a 8-inch cake tin which has been lined on the base with a piece of parchment, and just get all the biscuits in there and then spread them level on out and then compress them down a little just to make the base. So just use the back of a spoon or a cup measurement is what works well. Set aside until needed later on. So to make the cheesecake filling, grab yourself a medium-sized mixing bowl and place in your room temperature soft cheese, followed by the icing sugar and vanilla extract. And then you can also just add in the Biscoff spread and the double cream. Basically put all the ingredients into one bowl and mix them all together on a low speed to start with, working up to medium-high, and as you mix it, it should become thicker in consistency and lighter in colour as all the ingredients are combining. It should be one solid kind of beige colour, and that's what you're looking for. Give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So now you can go ahead and take the base, which you may have chilled in the fridge for a while you was making the cheesecake filling, and place all of that cheesecake filling on top of the biscuit base. Just get as much in there and then spread and level it off as best as you possibly can. It doesn't need to be perfect, but getting it as good as now will help later on. Then to finish it off, I just pour over some gently warmed smooth Biscoff spread and just spread and level it out as best as I possibly can. And as an optional finish, you can also add some Biscoff crumbs around the very edge of the cheesecake, but again, this is completely optional. Chill in the fridge for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours or until firm. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias, so don't forget to go and follow me everyone there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.